This song is another oldie but a goodie. Welcome to another day, another song. I don't know how far back this one goes. I did find some different verses for it though, so we'll see what it sounds like. I hope you enjoy it. Another day, another song. This train is a clean train, you know this train. This train is a clean train, I said this train. This train is a clean train, everybody riding in Jesus' name. This train is a clean train, I said this train. This train has left the station, this train. This train has left the station, I said this train. This train has left the station, don't take all nights in every nation. This train is a clean train, I said this train. It's the prettiest train I've ever seen, now this train. The prettiest train I've ever seen, now this train. It's the prettiest train I've ever seen. If you wanna ride, you gotta get redeemed. Said this train is a clean train, I said this train. This train is bound for glory, this train. This train is bound for glory, this train. This train is bound for glory, everybody riding must be holy. This train is bound for glory, this train. This train don't pull no jokers, this train. This train don't pull no jokers, this train. This train don't pull no jokers, no tobacco chewers, no cigar smokers. This train is a clean train, I said this train. This train is bound for glory, this train. This train is bound for glory, this train. This train is bound for glory, everybody riding must be holy. This train is bound for glory, this train. This train is a clean train, I said this train. This train is a clean train, I said this train. This train is a clean train, everybody riding in Jesus' name. This train is a clean train, I said this train. This train is a clean train, I said this train. This train is a clean train, I said this train. Hope you enjoyed it. Another day, another song. Been a long weekend, but I wanted to make sure I got another one in for you. Lord willing, the creek don't rise. I'll see you again tomorrow. Have a good one.